I read, I think it was Rob's like first like blog post about it, and I was like, oh wow, like I love this idea, something that you can have that just sort of fulfills a need, and that's it. It's easy. So I actually was doing DIY Soylent for a while. This is before the product was even out, like before the Kickstarter and all this. There was like a couple subreddits on Reddit and like of people that were like sharing recipes, and like it wasn't the greatest, but the coffee stuff is great. But I recently got into the cafe vanilla stuff, so I usually have that in the morning. You add caffeine to the mix, and that's now I don't have to deal with coffee. So I mean, I love coffee, but it's, if I'm like need to go somewhere and it's one less thing I have to worry about. It actually made me disconnect eating for sustenance versus eating for pleasure. So I'm more in the camp of like eating food for pleasure, and then just having like Soylent for functionality basically. The first time I had a burger after that, it was like the most amazing burger of my life. So it kind of gives you perspective in some way. So I'm into that as well. When you're really inspired by something, and you're like really when you're really in the moment, you need to like get these ideas down, or they're just gonna disappear forever. Like you don't want to waste time like going out somewhere, or like picking something or making food or whatever. It's very convenient, and it just fit into my lifestyle. So that's why I've been a user since like pretty much day one. Yeah.